Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm taking you all with me on a bike ride through the Canacona Beach in an attempt to reach the Butterfly Beach without a boat. Let's find out whether that's possible or not. Keep watching. So today we are attempting to go to the butterfly beach on our cycles. We've heard it's not possible and people usually go by boat. I've been by a boat before, but let's see. क्रैब भागता हो गया
कुछ आपको दूर से देख के ही भागने लगेंगे।
बटरफ्लाई बीच पता क्या
यहाँ नीचे मत गिर।
Guys, so unfortunately, as you can see, you cannot reach Butterfly Beach without a boat. You will have to go by boat because it's there in front of those two mountains. And we are on these rocks. We are at the end of Canacona Beach. We've even crossed all hurdles, but you can't go there, unfortunately. But we will enjoy this view right now.
दौड़ते हुए आ जाओ।
नहीं आ पाएंगे, आपको हाथ देना पड़ेगा। And folks, that's the end of the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.